Alright, so I've got this. I'm back Lego Fanatics. I actually put this together. It took me a little bit. There's some connectors on the inside of here. I'm not going to show them to you because you'll see them on the other builds if you go back. So this one side is going to go. I have to make sure I'm doing this right, so I'm going to check the directions right quick. Okay, so this is going to go. Okay, so that's not the side I need then. This is the side I need, and I'm going to put this on upside down. So like I said, this is connected. Okay, so see these two spires right here? I'm going to line those up. I'm going to get my chair out of the way for a minute, so bear with me. I'm coming back, trust me. Okay, so now I got to line these up. This is where it's a real pain in the patella to get these in there, but once you get them in there, hey, cool. Okay, and then this is going to rest like that. Okay, I'm going to hold this together because now I'm going to put this side on. Okay, I need these out of my way. I think, yes. Okay, and then I pop these in like that. And this sits right there, like so. And I'll tell you what, I'm going to take, let's make this a little more stable. I'm going to take this camera, just a second here, and I'm going to flip it like this because I'm going to show you. So those connectors go together like that, and then this thing, which is under here, is going to support that, and that's supporting that. So this will sit on here, and see how it's kind of a little flexible now? Well, in a little bit when I build the ship will actually make this way, and then this support under here will actually hold that from breaking when the ship's on it. So pretty good design there. Again, this is a little rocky for me right now, and I'm kind of worried about it, but no worries. I've got it, and it's all good together, and I'm a little nervous, but hey, it works. So, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.